Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make chicken and scampi. To make this recipe for 4 people, you'll need 1 box of scampi, 1 kilogram Grand Krust, 1 quartered chicken, 2 onions, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 laurel leaves, salt, white pepper, olive oil, rosemary, thyme, half a cup of brandy, and 2 tomatoes. To begin, salt and pepper the scampi. Lightly fry them in a pot with hot oil and set aside. Next, season the chicken. In the same pot, brown it on both sides. Next, dice the onion and add it to the chicken along with the garlic and the tomatoes. When the onion begins to get soft, add the herbs and cover the pot. Let everything simmer for 30 minutes. When the time has passed, add the scampi and the brandy. Cover the pot again and let everything continue to simmer for another 15 minutes. When finished, it's time to serve this delicious dish. You can also save it until the following day. As happens with many stews, it takes on even more flavor if we let it rest. Enjoy!